What's up YouTube? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another video. This is going to be like a quick update. Alright guys, it's the Ranger 10,000 and we're going to do a cold start right now. I see a lot of people doing these things. You know, that's my go-to welding machine with only 1,000 hours on it. We'll do a whole, I'm going to redo this whole thing, take the panels off the top and take all the stickers off, go get brand new stickers. The only thing I can't get new is the faceplate. If anybody knows any place that can sell faceplates, let me know down in the comments. But we're gonna get new stickers. Gonna take that sticker off, scrape off everything. We're gonna take these things off, sand them down. We're gonna paint them white with white bed liner, white tint with bed liner. I have a whole video on that, but we're about to do a cold start. All right. And guys, yes, this is not a pull start. This is an automatic crank. Just pull the lever. Look at that. Cold start of the summer, or the winter. Fires right up, no problem. I gotta fix the exhaust on both sides. But right now we're gonna let it run because I haven't ran it all winter so far. So I'm gonna get my use out of it, go ahead and pull up my welding chart and everything. Alright guys, stay tuned. Welding machine out. The Lincoln Ranger 10,000. And we got 12 generator. That is with the Lincoln generator welder. That's pretty good. Up into the first.